And welcome back again. So guys, today I'm going to show you how to make these rotating icons in a circle, and this animation is perfect for beginners because there are some cool techniques you will learn in just a few minutes. Yeah, but if you want to create animations like Epta or other top creators and maybe even start making money with it, I've got something for you. I made a course for beginners and beyond with 10 clear modules and project files that get updated over time. You will learn how to make professional motion graphics, and after finishing the course you will have the skills to start working with clients or even build your own income online. This is exactly how I started. The link to the course in the description. So guys, we are already in the After Effects, and today we are going to make this simple rotation of our icons, yeah, and it's actually pretty easy, and I'm not going to take a lot of your time, so let's create a new composition. Here I guess we will just leave like 5 seconds, and also we are going to use this preset, the portrait one, yeah, and we are already here. So guys, all we need just to make a circle. We can also align it to the center over here. We're going to remove the fill and we will just leave the stroke here. Also, we need our icons, so I will just paste it right now. So guys, actually I think it will be enough, and to take less of your time, we will just stay like that. And guys, like to make this animation, we need the null objects, actually only the one. So we are going to create the null object over here. It's already set to the middle. And guys, that's actually what we need. Null objects should be in our like middle point, in our like middle of our circle, yeah. And also we need to connect our icons to our null object like this, and when we are going to rotate our null object, our icons will rotate. And here like the main issue of this animation, so we have these icons that rotating with our like circle, yeah, but the main problem that it rotates by itself, like you understand what I mean, yeah. So we need to fix it, and actually it's pretty easy. I will just show you the command you will use, and you guys just can like copy and save it for the next time you will need it, yeah. Here I'm just gonna copy it from my main animation, and our task now just apply it to our icons over here. So let me find my composition, it's over here. So guys, now we are going to open our expression, find our expression. I'm just using the Alt button on my keyboard and pressing on this stopwatch over here. And also if you're like Mac OS user, you're going to press maybe Option, I'm not sure actually, I don't remember, but try to use any button like Option or Command with this stopwatch, and it should work for you. Now guys, I just pasted this expression, and if you will just leave it like that, it will not work. So guys, yeah, we can see this icon that indicates that we made something wrong, and here we can see that our null one, yeah, and we have the null 2 over here. So to fix it, we just need to set the name of our null object, or like if you renamed it, you just need to fill it appropriate to your name here. So I'm sorry if I stayed a lot here, but now it should work. Like when our animation will go, like we can click on the stopwatch over here and we will just make the rotation like this. I don't know, it's up to you. But now guys, you can see that this YouTube button is moving according like to our circle, but not changing its direction, yeah. And also guys, I can actually show you much more, because we are going to make this more smooth, like this, yeah. And also, if you need to create this mask like this that will work for all of your like objects over here, yeah, we are going to make it as well. So guys, after that, to make mask, we are going to use a rectangle tool, like, yeah, and we need to remove the stroke here, and we'll just make it like a white color, yeah. So we need to make it like that, and now we set it in this way, and we need to, and guys, we need to select all of our objects over here, all of our icons, also with our circle, and we are going to track map it to our shape layer over here. And guys, also to change the type of the mask, we are going to press over here, yeah, and actually we can see like it works. I'm going to align it like this, and now we can see that like it's not smooth, yeah, and we want to have something like this in the results, so we are going to find this effect, it named heart, refine heart matte, and actually we are going to put it on our shape layer. And here guys, just increase the feather of it, and now guys, we already can see the actually another result, yeah, it's not so harsh, yeah, now it looks much more better. So guys, we have already made our circle rotating our icons, yeah, but we also want to apply here this blur, and all we need just to find the effect, like CC radial blur. Here you can see the property, and we need to apply it on our adjustment layer. So to make it, just follow me. We created our adjustment layer. Let's find our CC radial, the radial blur. And guys, now you can see if you will change this option over here and mount, yeah, we are going to see the difference. And to make it more smooth, we are going to set it like this. So we are going to play with this option and with the keyframes. So you can see I already added some keyframes, and for example here it will be slower, for example, and we are going to duplicate the second keyframe, for example, and set it to 0 over here. Also in the middle we can even increase it, so it will be like much more faster, yeah. So guys, the last our step is to make an acceleration of our icons in the middle, and we just will use the speed ramp. So let me find the composition of our icons. It's over here, and here guys, we have the rotation of our null, and that's what we are going to change. Here guys, select your keyframes and make it easy east. So I already done it, and let's use our graph editor. And here guys, just try to make it like me. So use these two dots over here, and we are changing the velocity of our ramp, yeah. Here it's going slower, and here the speed increasing in the middle, and here it slows down like that. And guys, that's it. it's actually what. So guys, that's pretty it, and thank you so much for watching. Appreciate your support, and soon I'm going to make the next video. And don't forget that this video you can this animation you can find in our Discord community. You can use it, you can see how actually works everything inside, and please put some likes and maybe comment this video if you liked it. Thank you so much guys, see you soon in the next video. Goodbye.